The Bonfix implant is a double anchor and suture shock absorbing device. The Bonfix procedure is a simple, straightforward technique that does not involve an osteotomy or controlled fracture of the first metatarsal, and therefore the post-op pain and recovery time is greatly reduced. The procedure begins with two small incisions, the first medial to the first metatarsal over the bunion, and the second above and just lateral to the second metatarsal. Then, using a standard clamp, we bring the first and second metatarsals back into alignment. The bunion is shaved using a sagittal saw. Hammond and Sen retractors are used to open the plantar and dorsal soft tissues so that the second metatarsal is exposed through the small incision. The surgeon identifies the center of the cortex of MET2 for the K-wire entrance point. X marks the spot. A K-wire is then inserted through MET2 transversely towards MET1. The surgeon pauses to adjust MET1 in order to ensure the K-wire will be inserted at its center. The K-wire insertion continues through MET1 and out through the medial side. Bonfix's step-down drill is placed over the K-wire on the medial side of MET1 to drill holes to create a channel for the implant placement and fixation. The diameter for the MET1 channel is 5.2 mm, and for the MET2 channel it is 2.9 mm. A reamer is applied to allow flush positioning of the implant's outer lip against MET1. The MET1 anchor is made from cobalt chrome and includes a shock-absorbing spring with a preloaded force fiber suture and guide needle. The MET1 anchor is inserted into the drilled hole with a detachable suture guide needle, which is passed through the MET2 channel. The MET2 anchor is a hollowed, ridged screw made from titanium. The hollow screwdriver fixation tool mates to the MET2 anchor and is passed over the MET1 suture guide for insertion. The screwdriver is rotated counterclockwise to screw the MET2 anchor into the drilled hole. The suture guide needle is now removed by cutting the suture end. The surgeon now ties a knot. An X-ray is taken to verify the position of the metatarsals and the correct tension of the spring. The loaded spring can be seen protruding slightly from MET1. The surgeon can adjust the first knot strength if needed to bring the metatarsals closer together and achieve the desired level of spring loading. Once the metatarsals placement has been set, 4 additional knots complete fixation. The excess suture is trimmed using a standard scissor or scalpel. The surgery is completed with suturing. The Bonfix spring shock absorber system allows lateral and sagittal movement of the first metatarsal, which is important for everyday mobility. Tens of millions suffer from HALLUX valgus throughout the world and avoid current surgery due to the invasiveness and difficult post-operative course. They represent a huge unmet need for easy and safe surgery. The market for the Bonfix system is estimated at over $2.5 billion. The Bonfix system is less invasive, reduces OR time, has less pain, and a quicker recovery. Bonfix, a step ahead.